In this segment, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lead app. First, you're going to have to download the app onto your phone. Once you do that, you can open it up and log in. Once you've logged in, we're going to look at this app in more detail. At the bottom, find Groups and click on that. We're going to go into the groups because this is what you're going to be using the most. This is where you're going to find your small group or whatever group you're managing. Once you're in there, click on the group that you want to look at closer. This is a list of all the things you can do with your group. They're the same things you can do on the website. First, we're going to look at attendance because that's what you're going to be doing most for your group. When you click on attendance, we're going to go to the event that actually needs attendance taken. So we'll click on that. It has a red dot when it's ready for attendance. Go into there and select everybody who has attended your small group that week. If there's any visitors, you can enter that number as well. Then click Next. On this page, you can enter event notes, which you're going to want to enter the name of the person who's visited or anyone who's visited and any other information, email, address, phone number. You can enter prayer, praise reports, and then you're going to have to select who this is going to. Leaders, members, or no one. Usually you're going to just select leaders and you're going to press Save. That's how you do attendance. Attendance has been taken. You can go into the calendar to see what events you have signed up here. That's for your small group. You can send messages to the people in your group. These messages go through the Lead app. You can put a subject and a message, and you can also select who they're going to, whether they're going to all the group participants or leaders only. You can see the members in your group. These are all the people who are in your group. If you need to add somebody to your group, you can do that. Here, we'll add somebody to this group real quick so you can see how that works. I added basic user, they popped right into the group. Now, if I decide that I don't need that person in the group anymore, they're not attending, you just slide the person to the left and you can remove them. You can also assign them as a leader if it's someone who's becoming a leader in your group. So there I was able to remove basic user from the group. You can also send group text messages. It will go to anyone who has a cell phone number and a cell phone provider. So if somebody wants to get a text message from your group and they're not getting a text message, they do have to have their provider added into their profile. Otherwise, if they have a cell phone number in there, they will get your text message. Needs. This is most useful if you're having something like a potluck in your group. You can go into needs and set up whatever you want people to bring. So you would probably call it potluck. And you could put a description. Down here is requested items, so maybe you need someone to bring some chicken. Or you can put main dish or whatever it is you want to say. Once you've done that, you can add another item if you want. You put a whole list and you press Save. Once that's saved, you're able to go in to the need, click on this menu bar, and you can either edit or inform people. When you inform people, it goes to everybody. You put a little message and you press send, and everybody will get the list of needs and they will be able to sign up for whatever they want to bring. The last thing is a list of special days that will show birthdays, anniversaries, whatever is entered into a person's profile for the people in your group. So if you like to track birthdays and have a celebration, it's a good place to find out whose birthday is coming up. The other options down at the bottom, you can click on people. That will show you all the people in the church, and you can click to add people or to search people if you need to add someone to your group. Schedules, you may or may not have a use for this. If you are volunteering here at the church, you would be able to look in the schedules and see when you're scheduled to serve, if you know what group you're in. If you click on More, you can see the church calendar, and you can click on Settings. In Settings, you're allowed to customize the menu bar. You can set the bar any way you like, whatever you want to see on the bottom of your screen. Don't forget to press Save.